Nilinaw ni Philippine Coast Guard Commodore J. Tariela na hindi niya tinawag na traidor si Congressman Rodante Marcoleta na magkaharap sila sa Tri-Committee hearing ng Kamara tungkol sa fake news. Ang pagkompronta ni Marcoleta kay Tariela nagugat sa mga pahayag ng kongresista kaugnay sa West Philippine Sea. May unang balita si Tina Panganiban Perez.
Sa Tri-Committee hearing ng Kamara, kinompronta ni Sagi Party List Representative Rodante Marcoleta si Philippine Coast Guard Commodore J. Tariela. Kaugnayan ng reaksyon ni Tariela sa sinabi ni Marcoleta na walang West Philippine Sea kahit tingnan sa mapa.
You just called me a traitor, sir.
I did not use the word traitor. Let me read my post on X. I stand by the statement of President Bongbong Marcos when he said, ang West Philippine Sea ay hindi katang-isip natin lamang. Ito ay atin, ito ay mananatiling atin hanggang nag-aalab ang diwa ng ating minamahal na bansang Pilipinas. Hearing someone claim that the West Philippine Sea is merely a fabrication of the Philippine government is a disservice and an embarrassment to their entire party, the organization he belonged to, and even their own family.
Nang malamang walang binanggit si Tariela na traidor siya, tinanong ni Marcoleta kung bakit hindi itinama ni Tariela ang mga nagsabing binanggit niya ito.
Why did you not do anything? I think it is his responsibility to deny it if it did not come from him.
The only time I learned about that was when I heard about your interview calling me and mangmang. Why would I even defend you if you're calling me?
That is one of the ill effects of fake news or misinformation.
Idiniin ni Philippine Coast Guard Commodore J. Tariela ang halaga ng paglaban sa fake news, lalo na tungkol sa West Philippine Sea.
That obscures the true narrative of events in the West Philippine Sea, leading to confusion and division among our people.
Pero may ilang pro-China vloggers pa umano ang nagpapakalat ng mga mali o misleading post.
We have seen a significant increase in pro-China trolls. Despite our efforts, social media platforms have become the primary medium for these trolls to disseminate disinformation and fake news, reaching a large portion of our population.
Ilang vloggers naman ang bibigyan ng sabpina dahil sa hindi pa rin pagsipot sa pagdingin. Ito ang unang balita. Tina Panganiban Perez para sa GMA Integrated News.